Hello everyone, today let's discuss how to use asterisk in Cucumber for groups of steps. In one of our previous video, we discussed how to use and but in Cucumber to avoid repetitive keywords and make our scenario more readable and expressive. When you have a scenario with lots of steps that are effectively a list of things, you will find even and but are not enough. For long list of steps that can be grouped and relate to the same subject, we can use the asterisk instead of and, but or any other keyword. So this was our scenario where we have seen that how we can replace repetitive given with and repetitive when with and even the then, and we use but also to replace the negative statement. At some point where you find that even and we are repeating over and over, we can replace this with star or asterisk. So this asterisk, which are more like bullet points, are suitable for visual distinction and let reader see logical group clearly. You can use this star for every keyword when and even for but and then. But for best results, mix asterisk and keywords to improve the readability of your scenario. So where you feel like and but are repeating over and over and we can group the steps, you can use star. You can see our plugin still able to detect the steps, and we are jumping to the corresponding step definition, which is with given keyword, and even during the execution you will not get any error. So this asterisk is more like any other keyword in Cucumber to make our scenario more expressive. Thank you for watching this video.